Assalamu alaikum student. Today I am starting the O-level past paper. Previously you can check question 1 to question, in my opinion I have solved question 10 in previous session of the videos. If you subscribe my channel you get more videos related to this and also previous related you can check on YouTube. Now I am starting the past paper from the question number 10. In my opinion I solved up to question 10. No, yes, I solved up to question 10. Now I'm starting question number 11. How we solve this question? There is given in this question, in a survey of 3 out of 100 women were taller than 1.9 meter. One of these 100 women is picked at random. Now he's saying 3 out of 100 women were taller than 1.9. Out of these 100 women is picked at random. Calculate the probability that she is not taller than 1.9. Okay, it's been total 100 women, and there is only 3 women present in this data whom are taller than 1.9 meter. Only 3 women present in this data whom are taller than 1.9 meter. So it's mean if we are finding the probability in probability, how we solve? Question 11. Total 100 women and 3 women taller than 1.9 meter. He's saying find the probability of these 3 women. Probability of these 3 women, of women which are taller than 1.9, mean 3 women. Taller than or not taller than? Not taller than. In question it is given not taller than. Probability of 97 women. Okay, 97 women are those women whom are not taller than 1.9. Only 3 women taller than 1.9. Now how we find the probability? There are 2 ways by which we can find the number 1. Directly we subtract not taller than 1.9. Directly we find not taller than 1.9. Women whom are not taller than 1.9 meter. It's mean 100 minus 3. These are the 97. There is a way by which we can solve the probability of not taller than. Then probability of these 97 women, if we are selecting randomly, probability of these 97 women, it's mean events, number of events 97, and divide by how many, from how many women we are selected, 100. 97 upon 100, it's mean 0.97 is the probability the women whom are not taller than 1.9. And there is another way by which we can solve this one, but this is the first way. And second way, firstly we find the probability of the women whom are taller than 1.9 meter. Okay, how we find the probability of these women whom are taller than 1.9? Very easy way. Very easy way. We can find the probability. This is the second way. First I told you. Now I am solving the second way. How we find the probability of the women whom are uh, not taller than. This is the second way. Firstly, we find the probability of 3 women whom are taller than. Of 3 women from out of 100. It's mean taller woman probability women whom are taller then from how many women? 100. Now this is the probability of the women whom are taller than 1.9 meter. What is the probability coming here? When we divide it, we get the result here 0.03. Now women whom are not taller than, whom are not taller than, taller than 1.9 meter. Okay, total probability of the taller and not taller, taller plus not taller, is 1. Okay, probability of all the events, sum of probability of all the event is 1. Taller woman's probability is 0.03 and not taller we are finding. We are finding here. Now not taller equal to 1 minus 0.03. Now subtract here 1 minus 0.03. 0.03. The point apply here. When you subtract, there is 10 minus 7, 7, and there is a 9. We transferring this one here, and then it becomes 10, and then transfer 1 here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7, and there is 9, 97. Decimal at its place, it means 0.097. This is the probability of the women whom are not taller than 1.9. Now nextly, question: a new housing estate is being planned. There are 3 possible plan A, B, C. A survey was carried out to see which plan people prefer. The relative frequency table shown the result: A 0.3, B 0.5, 0.2. 52 people prefer plan C. Now he is saying total people belong to this plan C plan 0.2. 52 people belong to 0.2. How many people prefer plan A? Okay. Relative frequency of the plan A is 0.3. Now we can solve it by ratio proportion. 0.2 peoples, 0.2 frequencies having how many numbers of people? 52 peoples. And he's saying find the probability, find the number of peoples, find the number of peoples for plan C A. Now A is 0.2, which is equal to 52, and he's saying find 0.3. Okay. Number of people for plan A. This is the for C. Okay. And C value is 0.3. and is saying how many peoples in this plan. Uh, we can solve it by cross multiplying. 52 multiplied by 0.3 and divided by 0.2. Then you get the plan A people. Similarly, you can find the plan B people. A plan people 52 into 0.3. Now here you cancel decimal with the decimal and divide 52 by 3. 26 come here. 2 to the 4, 1 remainder, 2 6 the 12, 26 into 0.3. Now multiply it, you get the result. Decimal after the 1, 7.8. Now decimal is cancelled, directly apply. 78 peoples. It's been 78 people is the result of this question. Now next question. It's been there is answer is 78. Now next question, calculate the total number of people survey. Now he's saying find the total number of people whom are present in the survey. Okay. 0.3, 0.50, you add all these frequencies 0.3, 0.5 and 0.2. If you find the 0.5 number of peoples, then by adding you get the all frequencies. Okay. All the number of people. So 0.3 containing 78, and what are the number? When 0.2 equal to 52, then 0.8 in B plan there is 0.5. How many containing 0.5? Now cross multiply it. 0.2 into x and 52 into 0.5, then divided by 0.2. Decimal cancel with decimal. And there is 26 come. Now 26 multiplied by 5. 130 coming here. 130 of plan B people. Now add all these plan people. A plus B plus C. How many in A? Firstly we find number of people for plan A 78 and B 130. 78 plus 130 and plus 52. When you add these, you get the whole number of people. It's been 260 people present in whole. 260 people are present in whole. So this is the result of the question part. Total, calculate the total number of people surveyed. Okay, now we are solving the next part. Next question 12. Bernard bought a game in the USA for $15. Elias bought for the same game in Zambia and paid the equivalent price in Zambia, Kawaka, ZK. Exchange rate 1 ZK Zambian Kwacha equal to $0.07. Now he's saying calculate the price the Alice paid. How much price he paid? He has $15 USA dollar. It means you convert the USA dollar into um, Zambian dollar. Okay. Because Allah is buying the game in Zambia, it means he will pay the Zambian amount. Calculate the price he pay. He has $15 and one Zambian dollar 0.075. First you change. How we change? Firstly you write the equation of the conversion. Question 12. 1 Zambian dollar, Zambian ZK, Zambian ZK, so I can equal to $0.075, equal to $0.075. Okay, it's mean $1 0.075. It's mean $1 equal to 1 ZK upon 0.075. Okay. Now how many we want to change? 1500, because he paid 1500. He paid $15, only $15. If we want to change $15, there is a ratio proportion method, and there is we can also change this one by multiplying $15 on both sides, 15 on both sides. 15 into 1, $15, and we are changing this 15, so 15 multiplied by 1 upon 0.075 ZK. Okay, now solve it. When we replace this decimal, how many digit before the decimal? After the decimal, 1, 2, 3. It's mean when we finish this decimal, it becomes 1000 at up, at numerator. It becomes 1000. Now 1000 upon 75. Now divide it. 15 threes, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Now divide 1000 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, then 200. It's mean 200 ZK dollar. $15 becomes ZK. 200 ZK. It's mean he will pay 200 ZK. Okay, student. Now this is the solution of 12th question. Part A. 12th question. No, it is having only one part. Now 13. The two numbers x and y are such that x ratio y 511, x plus y 1112. Find the x and y. Now, there are two equations given, one ratio equation and one sum equation. With the help of these equations, we can solve this question easily and can find the value. XY ratio is 511. X ratio y equal to x ratio y equal to 5 ratio 11 and x plus y equal to 1112. Now these are the two equations. One is the ratio equation and one is the sum equation 112. It will be 112. Now how we solve? Firstly, we know that x upon y equal to, there is given x upon y 5 upon 11. From this relation, firstly we get the value of x. How we get the value of x? How we get the value of x? If we transfer the y at second side, then we get the value of x. Okay. Just like it is written as x upon y, 5 upon l. If you find the value of x from this equation, we transfer this y there. It's been 5 upon 11 multiplied by y. That is the result. 5 upon 11 is the result. Now x equal to 5 upon 11 into y. Okay, refreshing the board. There's problem in board. After refreshing, I'm starting this one. After connecting this board, I will start the solution. This problem, board is not connecting. When board is connected, then I will start. Okay, now these are the solutions. Now this is the final question, question number 30. X ratio y, 5 and 11, and x plus y is 112. It is given in question. Now x upon y is equal to 5 upon 11, and x equal to 5 upon 11 y. Okay, this is the value of x from the solution. Now put this value in second equation. What is the second equation? Second equation is 5 upon 11 y plus y equal to 112. Now solve it. 5y plus, taking LCM, this 11 goes, if we are taking LCM, 5 upon 11 there, apply the 11 here up and down according to LCM rule, 112. When we are taking LCM, there is 11, we apply the second one up and down with 11. Now 11 is the LCM. Now how much is coming at up? 5y plus 11y equal to 112. Now when 11y and plus 5y is equal to 16y, and upon 11 equal to 112. Now transfer this 11 at the second side. In this paper, calculator is not allowed. Directly multiply 112 with 11. 211, when you multiply 1 by these numbers, then 211 with 11 separately. 1211. Now add 2, 213, 112. It's been 12132 is formed, and there is 16y. Okay, now if we are finding the y, transfer 16 at the second side. Y is equal to 1232 divided by 16. Now divide it. 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now 6 1 6 divide by 8, 2 4 are 8, 2 30 are 60, then 1 is remainder, 2 8 are 16. Then again divide it by 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 1 carry with 0, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. Now 154 upon 2. Finally we divide 154 by 2. Then y is equal to 154 upon 2. Now 2 7s are 14, then 2 7s are 40. Y is equal to 77. This is the result of y. Now we can get easily the result of x, because in question there is given x plus y equal to 112. Now keep this 77 here at the place of y, substitute here. Now x is 112 minus 77. When you subtract 112 minus 77, you get the value of x. Now 112 minus 77. 12 minus 7 mean 5. We carry 1 here, it means there is 0. Now this one comes with 0. 10 minus 35. Now x is 35. This is your result, x and y. Okay, student? Now this is the result. Now what is the 14th question? This is the term-to-term rule for a sequence. Multiply 2 by 2 and add 3. The first 3 terms in this sequence. 1, then second is 5 and 13. This is a term-to-term rule for a sequence. Multiply it by 2 and add 3. Okay, just like multiply 1 by 2, then add 3, it's 5. Multiply 5 by 2, 10, then add 3, 13. This is the rule. Now he is saying write down the next term in this sequence. Okay, it's mean you multiply 13 by 2 and then add 3. Question 13. Rule is that every term multiply by 2. It's mean if we are finding the fourth term, third term multiply by 2 and then add in it 3. 2 13s are 26 plus 3. It's mean total result of this one is 29. This is the question. Uh, 14, first part. It's mean there is the answer 29. Every term multiply by 2 and add 3. He's saying this is the term-to-term rule for a difference sequence. Square and 5, subtract 5. It's mean square of 1 is minus 1 is 1. Then subtract 5, minus 5. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 is the result. Now he's saying write down the fourth term in this sequence. This is the second. It means third, find, then the second and third term in the sequence. Now he's saying these are the second and third term. He's saying find the 4. It means after 4 you find. Now what is the rule? Square the 4, then subtract minus 5. This is the question. B. B1. Square the 4 third term and then subtract 5. B2. Minus 1 and minus 4 second and third term. Now what is the rule? Square the minus 4, then subtract minus 5. Square the minus 4 means 16, then subtract minus 5. It's mean 16 minus 5, 11. This is the answer. Now he's saying write down the two possible values for the first term in this sequence. Now he's saying what is the first term of the sequence? -1, -4, and then 11. -1, -4, and then 11. These are the terms, second, third, and fourth. -1, -4, and 11. This is the part. This is the part 2. It's mean what is the rule we are applying here? Square of term, then -5 equal to term. Okay, this -1 is equal to square root of -5 equal to -1. When we get the value of n, therefore we can say it is the first term, because we are finding before we are keeping this one, applying the rule for second term, and we are finding a value here 1 n. It is the first term, n is first term. By applying rule square of term -1, we get the second term 1. This square of term is known as the first term. Now n square equal to -1 plus 5. Now n square equal to 4. N square equal to 4. Now how we get the result? By square root of n, we get the value of first term. Now n equal to plus -2. Now this is the result. These are the two terms which are coming as a result. Okay, student. Now these are the question of paper 2021 of March-April. 2021 May-June 4024 is the code, and paper 11 May-June 2024. Okay. Now I have solved in today's session these questions. Check these questions. Is there any problem coming? You can ask on comment side, and other solutions present in other videos. When you subscribe my channel, you get the more video related to this paper. Okay, student. Now Allah Hafiz.